Hello guys, welcome on Code Space. In this video I'll be showing you how to create a form like this one, okay, which is a patient admission form, and all these fields, okay, these fields gives informations regarding a given patient, and once you give information you can click and information will be sent in a database. Okay, so basically this is what we'll be learning in this video. I'll be showing you how to design this user interface and how to do the coding. Okay, so without wasting time, let's jump into our video. Okay guys, as I explained you, we will start our video without wasting time. We create a new project. Okay, I go there in Visual Studio 2015 and click on File, then I click on New, then Project. Okay, I'm using Visual C# and Windows Form. We'll call it Patient Admission. Yeah, it seems like I have another project having the same name on my computer, so I'll change the name. Okay, I'll call it Admission Form. Okay, so to keep my video short, I'll do it in two parts. Okay, in this first part I'll design the UI form, and in the second part I'll explain the coding part of this video, of this lesson. So first of all, I don't like this, this part with form 1 and all this. I don't like it, so I'll go in properties, okay, and I'll search for border. Okay, where is the border? See here, there is sizable, and I take no one, and all that disappear. Okay, now I'll use one panel. I take panel here, I drag and drop it there. Okay, so I want my panel to be right there. Okay, I'll just show you the output that we want. Okay, so I want this sky blue there. So to do that, I use my panel and I'll click on the panel and I'll come and check for dock in properties. There is dock dock. Okay, yeah, here it is. So I click there and I take this upper. I think you can see my mouse. Once I click, it goes there, and I will change the background color of the panel. I want blue sky, right? So I'll come here and change this back color. As you can see, back color, I'll change the white into sky blue. Okay, let's check for sky blue, deep sky blue. This is the one I want. Wonderful. So if I run, okay, if I run, I have something like this. Okay, now since I've removed those closing and resizing buttons, I need to create one button that I'll be using to close my form. For that, there is something that I usually do. I'll just use a label, I drag and drop it there, okay, and I change the text of my label. I remove this and I write a X for closing. Okay, then I'll change the fonts right here. I want it a little bit bigger. I take this Minion Pro, let's take 12. Yeah, very good, and change it in red. Okay, let's check for red color. Here it is. I think we can make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, let's 14. Wonderful. Now, in order to close, to be using this for closing, we need just to write one line code. That line is application dot okay, application dot exit. Okay, so this line will be closing whenever someone clicks on this label, it will close the form. Okay, let's try to see if it works. I'll come and click and it closes my form. This means that everything is working correctly so far. So once I have done this, I'll now create this. Okay, this red cross right here. Okay, so to make that red cross, I'll use a picture box. Come right here and take a picture box. I drag and drop it there. Okay, let's import. It's on desktop, right? Let's check for the first one. Yeah, which is smaller. Very good. Yeah, it matches perfectly. Yeah, now we have this. The next step, we need to write this text. Okay, main campus hospital is what I wanted to write, but according to your project, you just write the name of the hospital you are designing this form for. Okay, so I'll keep main campus hospital, but you can write anything you want. How will I do that? I'll just use a label once more. Okay, I write main campus. Okay, in font I'll change premium bold 14. Yeah, and I'll change the text color. I want it to be white. Okay, smoke white. It's somewhere down here. There's the white that I want. You can use any white you want. Yeah, white smoke. This is the one I wanted. I like it. I don't know why. Yeah, and I think it looks nice. Okay, to go fast, I'll copy paste that text box. Control C, Control V. For copy paste, and in the second label, I'll just change main campus hospital. Perfect. I think so far so good. There is nothing difficult right here. I'll copy and paste again my text box and change it there. And the text is patient admission. Okay, we'll keep it a little bit bigger. Yeah, let's say 24. This is too big. A check. Yeah, patient admission form. I think this is too big. We'll reduce a little bit. 24 is too big. Let's say 20. Patient admission form. Yep, this is perfect, I guess. Okay, let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad actually. Okay, now this will make it a little bit longer. It seems too short for me, but you can design it how you want. I'm just giving you the main lines, so that you can design a nice and professional patient admission form. Okay, now we need this. Okay, patient details, exactly like this. So how did I do this? How am I going to do it? I'll just use a label once more, and the text is patient details. I'll write the text patient details. I'll change. Okay, let's say 14. Okay, background color. Okay, we check for the back color. We use the same deep sky blue. As you can see, it's just here. We start by changing the text color. I want it to be white, and it's black. Okay, let's change and put our white smoke. Okay, let's change and put our white smoke. And tails, let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's perfect. Let's add a little bit. So what I'm doing, I'm just adding white space by clicking on the space, button on my keyboard, and it's getting this longer with the sky blue background. I think it looks nice, isn't it? Okay, now we'll start uh, adding the different fields on our form. Okay, so we have first name, given name, and age. Okay, first name, given name, and age. So for that, I'll use labels. Okay, okay, first name. Okay, you can use any font you want. I'm using Minion Pro. But if you feel like it doesn't look nice and you want to use something different, it's up to you. It's up to you. You can use your creativity and use anything you want. From the moment you feel like it looks nice for you, you can use it. Okay, first name. The second field will be given name. To go fast, as you can see, I'm just copy pasting this stuff. Given name and age. The age will be somewhere right here. Okay, then we have ethnicity, residential address, and email address. Okay, residential, and email address. Okay, and at the other side, we have gender, blood group, and telephone. Okay, I think that's it according to what we've done. Okay, now these are labels. Okay, now we need text boxes and combo box. So for first name we need a text box. Okay, for given name I'm just copy pasting the given name. Same thing for age. Okay, here the user will be typing the values, you know. For residential address as well, will be typing, user will be typing the information. Same for email address. Same for phone number. But for these three, ethnicity, gender, and blood group, we need combo box. As we know, combo box gives a list from which the user will be choosing. For example, for gender, if the patient we want to add in our system is a man, then we'll take the gender according to him. If we have a woman or a girl, we'll take a gender according to his situation. Okay, so how to add values to gender? Right here we take gender. Okay, we'll click here and edit items. Okay, gender we have male and female. Okay, okay, blood group, I think we have A, B, AB, and O. Ethnicity, so we have African, European, Indian, Chinese, South American. Okay, yeah, I think this is it. Now we add something in combo box right here, text, right? Okay, we copy this and paste it here and here. Okay, and we'll change the font, you know, to make it a little bit more attractive. Yeah, I think it's good so far. Yeah, okay, this is a little bit short compared to this one, so I'll make it as long as the elements down here. So I'll click on my level again. I go on text and I use the white space again. Yeah, I think it's okay now. Yeah, I think it's okay. I'll adjust one or two. Perfect. Okay, so we'll run it and see how it looks. Yeah, not bad, guys. It's not bad. Okay, then we'll see what's to add again. We'll add the footer part, you know, the down part here. I think you understood how I did for the header, so it will be quite similar. I'll take a panel. Okay, I put it there, I resize it and go look for dock property. Here it is, and dock it down. For the header, I took this. Now I'm taking this. Excuse me. Okay. Then we have to change the background color. Same thing that we did for the header. We are doing the same for the footer part. Back color, deep sky blue. Okay. I just write something, you know. I'll copy this and paste it right here. Change the text and say, okay, from code space YouTube channel. Very good. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, so the last thing we need to do now is to add one button to save the informations, to save the patient informations. Okay, so go toolbox and take one button, drag it and drop it right here. Okay, change and say save. Yeah. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Yeah, I think we've done everything is perfect right now. If there is anything you missed, you can video, you can pause it and you can watch it again and again until you understand. If you have questions, you can leave questions in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions, guys. So this is the first part. Okay, the first part of our lesson. You can design this, and once you're done with this part, you can take the second part where I'll be explaining how to connect this to a database and to insert all these informations into a database.